Welcome to the jandjautowrecking test video, stock number 9484. Today we have a 1991 Chevrolet C4 Corvette. Let me crouch down here and fire this up for y'all. Oh, well, hold on, gotta put the key in the ignition. Lord, am I on the ground on this thing. Oh no! Andy, the box no working. What do we got? What do we got? Stand by, folks. Side post connections. There we go. 102,392 miles. 5.7 liter tune port. Convertible car. Beautiful green exterior. What a nice unit. Nice and quiet, smooth running. I'll let the motor talk for itself. All right, let's watch a 6-foot tall guy crawl inside a Corvette and test out some parts. This is so graceful. All right, and we're in. Once you're inside, not a terrible place to be. We got power windows all working. Let me get this tilt column the heck up out of my way here. Where is the tilt lever? Oh man. All right, automatic climate control just kicked on. Love these early cars. Oh, it's a radio. Come on, girl. There we go. All right, power mirrors. Working just fine. Passenger side working just fine as well. Cluster appears to be having some Corvette type issues. Well, come on. Apparently we idle at 4,500, which is not accurate. Let's test out the seats. All the motors appear to be working just fine. Lift her on up. All right, my side. No dice home slice. It's moving me up. It's not moving me forwards or backwards. All right, let's go ahead and put her in gear. We've got reverse. And we've got drive. Everything you want to see from your Corvette. Radio's not too happy. Climate control though, why not? Mirror defrost. All right, do we have AC? The $1 million question. Actually feels like it does. So we got a working climate control. What about headlights? Boom. They're all good. I haven't done a C4 in a while, guys. James was off today, so. The left headlight's clicky, clicky, clicky. I'm just playing. I love these cars, although they don't love me back. All right, here's the not so pretty part. Ooh, come on. I mean, I'm fat, but I'm not that fat. These are just made for midget Japanese men. All right, guys, that is going to conclude the jandjautowrecking test video, stock number 9484, a beautiful C4 Corvette. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website where this entire car will be listed in a million pieces. I'm John at jandjautowrecking. Make a Corvette that fat guys can fit in. Thanks for watching.